Hi, how are you? Odie and I wanted to read a book to you. And see, my bear has his mask on, but I forgot mine. But I'm alone. We're not close together. The book today is somebody loaned it to me. And the person who loaned it to me is named Madeline. And I will tell you about her when I finish the story. It's called Bear Snores On. See that big old bear? And it's written by Karma Wilson, and the pictures are done by Jane Chapman. And it was written in the year 2002. That was 18 years ago. Bear Snores On. Do you know what bears do in the winter? Some of you might know. They like to sleep in the winter. There's a little snowbird in a cave in a woods, in this deep, dark lair. Through the long, cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. Cold winds howl, woo, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. See that little mouse? See his little nose and his long tail. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. A little mouse built a fire. The coal pit pops and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. You see that big bear, that little bitty mouse? With glowing eyes, sneak peek in the den, Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. Here, kind of like a rabbit. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. White corn, popcorn, and a teapot. The old Hare's got an old mug to drink the tea. And little Mouse has a little tiny mug. Mouse sips wee slurps, and Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by. Sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." You see the badger? "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." He's going to share his food with the hare and the mouse. I don't see the mouse. Oh, looking at the bag. I have to look at it backwards, so I'm missing things. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. What a sleepy head. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, and a wren and a raven flutter in the back door. The gopher, let's see. The gopher and the mole and the wren and the raven. Ravens are blackbirds. They're all coming to the cave to get out of the snow. Mole mutters, "Ooh, what a night, what a storm," twitters Wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den round the fire. They tweet and they titter and they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Lair means his house, his cave. They're partying. You can see them dancing and holding hands, having a good time. Staying warm. Hare stokes the fire, and Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. The little animals are scurrying. You've snuck in my lair and you've had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none. He whimpers and moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pot more corn. We can make more tea." Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. See him? He sighs with delight that he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on the crisp, clear dawn, you see them, the bear's eating. He's got Mole on his lap. He's got all his friends around him, having a nice dinner party. Lots of stories. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. And there's the bear wide awake. And that is the end. And this book belongs to someone named Madeline, who is my granddaughter. She is now 16 years old, but she was 3 when I gave her this book. So she said I could read it on my YouTube. And you'll see that Odie has a book on his lap, and that might be the next book that I read. Thank you for sharing this time with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.